Okay, so here's the wiring. We're using 2-wire. This is a 14-2. It's got the white and the black, neutral and hot. So we just have 2 of these wires. This one's coming from the panel. We got it labeled hot. And then the other one is the switch leg. And it's just going up to the light right up here. We just got a standard blue light box for a flush mount light. If you want to do a fan, you'll have to do a metal box, something for that. So the first thing you want to do is start with your grounds. And you just want to twist your grounds together, just like that. Just twist them together a few times. That's good enough. And then you take your crimp, slide it right over down to right here. And then I don't have a crimp tool, but I've got a pair of linemen's here, and I'm just going to use those for a simple to crimp it. Squeeze that there, and then we only need one of these grounds, so you just go ahead and cut one of those off, and then that's the ground that's going to end up connecting to your switch. Just push that back in the box as far as you can get it there. Get it out of the way. Now you go ahead and lift up your blacks, and now we're just going to wire nut our neutrals. These are our neutral wires. So all we want to do is wire nut these together. So you just stick a wire nut on those. Twist it several times, make sure it's tight. And then just go ahead and push that back into the box. Just like that. Pretty simple. Now the code is you want to keep about 6 inches on your wires coming out of the box. Excuse me. So this is what we have here. Let me see them pair of strippers. Here they are. So basically what we have here, I'm going to trim these down just a little bit more, and then I'm going to go ahead and strip them off. There we go. And what you want to do is put little curls on there. There's a little hole in your strippers, and you just turn them, make a loop on the end on each one of the wires. That wire's a little messed up there. So there, now we have our curve on all of our wires, and this is our single pole switch we're going to hook up for our light. Now this is the direction this one's going to go, and first thing we want to go ahead and hook up our ground. So you just go ahead and do that. Let me see the screwdriver, please. And then tighten that down. Now on the other side, this is just a single pole switch, so it doesn't matter where you put either one of these wires, the hot wire or the switch leg. It can go on either side. And obviously what you want to do is also check your wires. If you have the breaker on in the panel, make sure your breaker's off. Use a voltage tester or something, test your wires first, make sure everything's off. But there, now we have our switch hooked up, and that's how you do a single pole switch. It's that simple, and it's going to work for you. So thanks for watching.